How does people's obsession and addiction to drama prevent them from having a strong, joyful, loving, supportive, and successful relationship?
Mm, that's a good one. You know, you exactly right. Is we the reason why they're prevented from it is because they get their high from the drama. See, what people don't realize is that the brain is so sensitive to stimuli. So if you allow peace to stimulate your brain, then you will require peace. But if you go through arguing and yelling, fussing and fighting, the brain also has a release from that. So you can release dopamine in a good way, or it could be released in a toxic way. The brain gonna have a release regardless. And depending on the stimuli, that's what you tell yourself, this is what I need more of. So once you normalize and you stabilize, meaning you're sidestepping the power struggles and you're avoiding arguments, but you're engaging in discussion through healthy communication, your brain gives your body a release into your bloodstream that feels good. It doesn't upset your stomach. And you're like, man, it feels good, like to laugh and joke. But then when a conversation, when a topic comes up, we able to sit down and talk about it. And I'm able to express myself, but then I'm also humble enough and willing to listen. So we having this back and forth, and I'm actually hearing you. I'm listening to you, not just to react, but to respond in a positive manner, meaning without yelling, screaming, cursing, name calling, victim blaming, or playing the victim. So now we actually moved the ball down the field. We got somewhere, and I got a release from that. Whereas if the couple is screaming and yelling, arguing, cursing, calling names, playing the victim, victim blaming, victim shaming, now you get a release from that as well. And that's why people say they talk about makeup sex. They talk about break up the makeup because of the highs and lows, because of the release. And that's why people struggle to have healthy relationships. And it's not just relationships between a man and a woman.
Friendships, the whole nine, man.
Exactly.
Drama, drama.
I see this with mother and daughter a lot. I see it with mom and daughter, like back and forth, bickering. Best friends today, enemies tomorrow. That happens like that mom hurt is different than dad hurt, because a lot of times the dad hurt is from the dad being absent.
No interaction.
Yeah. And a lot of times the mom hurt is from the mom being present. But the mom operating from her pain. So she's causing pain on her daughter because her daughter looks like her, sounds like her, and has her same body parts. And then mom may actually cater to her son, or she may abuse her son because he's younger than her, weaker than her, and she's been hurt. And so even in that relationship, which is the relationship that we first should focus on before the intimate relationships, because our intimate relationships oftentimes are dictated by our family and personal relationships. And so that's really what it is. And the world reinforces it through reality TV.